Instagram ads.
Why Instagram ads? Why should you consider using Instagram to market your brand and your business when there are other social media platforms available? Well, one of the main reasons is that there are more than 1 billion active users each month on Instagram. Every day there are more than 500 million users on Instagram. The platform has seen explosive growth since its launch in 2010. Did you know that Facebook now owns Instagram? The CEO of Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, was quick to see the potential offered by Instagram and decided to buy it for $1 billion just 18 months after it launched. More and more businesses have realized the power of Instagram. Most of the world's top brands now have an Instagram account, and it will not be too long until they all do. So surely it makes sense for you to use Instagram for your marketing. Here are the major benefits of using Instagram for marketing a business. More than a third of Instagram users have purchased through the platform. The end game with any advertising is increased sales. Whether this is done by generating leads first doesn't matter. You are looking for more sales in exchange for your advertising bucks. So, will Instagram advertising help to increase your sales? Well, here are a few facts about Instagram. More than 33% of Instagram users have used it to make a purchase of a product online. This means that an Instagram user is 70% more likely to make a purchase than a non-Instagram user. Think about the numbers here. With 1 billion active users, this means that 33% is over 333 million people that have made a purchase online through the platform. That's a staggering number of potential customers that could be interested in what you have to offer. A lot of these users have a history of buying from Instagram. Another interesting fact is that around 75% of Instagram users will take action after viewing an Instagram advertising post. They will visit your website if that is what you want them to do. If you want them to click a Contact Us or Shop Now button, they will do this too. If an Instagram user does not take the action that you want them to, then you have the capability to retarget them over and over again until they do take the required action. This is a powerful feature of the Instagram advertising service. Very advanced social media targeting. Instagram being owned by Facebook is a very good thing. It is well known that Facebook has very advanced targeting functionality, and they have brought this to Instagram too. You can display your ads to a targeted audience such as a specific age group, people with specific interests, people from specific locations, people that exhibit specific behavior. Once you have specified your target audience in Instagram, you have the ability to retarget them as we mentioned earlier. You can customize your retargeting to take into account engagement with Instagram posts, video views on Instagram, customer email lists, and more. With this kind of targeting functionality, you can take your marketing to the next level with Instagram. You can set up specific sales funnels for your Instagram ads that will achieve the results that you are looking for. You can track sales and leads. There is no point spending money on any form of advertising if you can't measure the effectiveness of it. The good news is that Instagram has the same comprehensive tracking features that the Facebook platform has. You can track everything including clicks on links, leads generated, and conversions. If you want to see the cost per result, then this is also possible. It's possible for you to measure just about everything. If you want to break down results further, you can see where leads come from, what device they're using, etc. We would always recommend that you split test your ads, and this is easy to track with Instagram Analytics. The metrics available with Instagram ads are very comprehensive and provide advertisers with the feedback that they need. Tap into an unreached customer base. Statistics show that 50% of people on Instagram will view the profile of businesses that they like on a daily basis. If you don't have an Instagram account, then you will miss out on this kind of action. It is unlikely that you will be able to find the same level of customers using other advertising channels outside of Instagram. When you establish your Instagram presence, you really will be able to tap into a market of potential customers that would be very difficult, if not impossible, to replicate elsewhere. Build your audience organically. One advantage that Instagram has over Facebook is that you can build an audience organically that will stay in touch with your brand. You can create a natural relationship without using ads rather than have to force it with ads as you do on Facebook. Once you start to get followers, this will grow organically through word of mouth. When an Instagram user follows your business, they decide that they want to see your posts on their timeline. This is great for developing initial interest, which you can then build on. You can make relationships stronger. Brand engagement on Instagram is 10 times higher than it is on Facebook, 54 times higher than on Pinterest, and 84 times higher than on Twitter. With engagement rates on this scale, you can expect more interaction with your posts organically. If a user likes a post on Instagram, this is archived in their personal Posts You've Liked section. This is a bank of images that they liked on the platform that they can access at any time. You can use this to stimulate conversations and comments with your followers. Learn what your audience likes and dislikes. You can learn a great deal about your audience with Instagram. How good would it be to know what they like and dislike? When you know this, you can create specific ad campaigns around this information. It is easy for you to see what kind of content your audience likes and the content that they don't like. You can also see the kinds of Instagram accounts that they like to follow. All of this will help you to provide your audience with the content that they are really looking for. The visual advantage. If you didn't already know, Instagram is a visual platform for images and videos. Text can be added, but it is not mandatory. This is great because people are far more likely to remember what they see rather than what they hear or read. Videos are the best media for engagement on social media. Images will also outperform text-only posts significantly. You can create videos and images that really make your business stand out for higher engagement and increase your chances of converting followers into customers. What are Instagram ads? Instagram first offered ads back in 2013, but it wasn't until 2015 that this was opened up to everyone. Once businesses started using Instagram ads, they found them to be very effective. At the time of the writing of this guide, the average cost per click of Instagram ads is about 70 cents to 80 cents. This comes from an analysis of over $300 million in ad spend on the platform. This is an average cost, and it is possibly that your Instagram ads could cost considerably less, depending on a number of different factors. The time of year the ads are placed affects the costs, with the last quarter of the year having the highest average costs. There are 5 different Instagram ad formats, which are 1. Stories, 2. Photos, 3. Videos, 4. Carousel, 5. Collection. Each one of these formats are interlaced with Instagram user feeds and stories, ensuring that the Instagram user has a non-disruptive experience on the platform. There are also a number of different calls to action that you can use to generate more leads. You can see these as we explain each of the 5 formats. Stories ads. With Instagram Stories ads, you can use the following call to action buttons: Apply now, Book now, Contact us, Call now, only using video, Download. An Instagram Stories ad is full screen and will appear between user stories. There are around 500 million users viewing stories each day, so there is massive potential with this type of ad. When you go for a Stories ad, you can specifically target your audience and decide on how often they will see the ad. All stories expire after 24 hours on Instagram, so Stories ads are best for limited time offers. You can use the number of filters with your Stories ads, such as adding video effects, face filters, and text. The idea here is to create a really fun ad. It is really important that your Stories ad looks like a normal post for a consistent experience. Users will swipe up calls to action and then automatically visit your website. Photo ads, also known as image ads. You can use the following call to action buttons with photo ads: Apply now, Book now, Call now, Contact us, Get directions, Learn more, Get showtimes, Download. With photo ads, you will be showcasing your products and services through engaging images. If you already use these kind of images in your marketing, then you can leverage the power of Instagram to share these with a larger audience. There have been a number of success stories using photo ads. Video ads. Here are the call to action buttons you can use with video ads: Apply now, Book now, Call now, Contact us, Download. Video is the favorite media choice of Instagram users. Time spent watching videos on Instagram has increased significantly, around 80% year on year. So Instagram have made it very easy for advertisers to run video ad campaigns. There have been some incredible success stories with Instagram video ads. Carousel ads. With carousel ads, you can use the following call to action buttons: Apply now, Book now, Contact us, Call now, Download. The idea with carousel ads is that users can swipe through a series of videos or images that all have a call to action button that will send them to your website. With a carousel ad, you can showcase multiple products, Share a story with multiple parts. Perform a deep dive into a single product with up to 10 videos or images. If you want to show versatility, then carousel ads are a good choice. Collection ads. You can only use 2 call to action buttons with collection ads, which are Learn More, Purchase. Collection ads have only been available since 2018, and the idea is pretty simple. When a user sees an ad from you, they will be able to make a purchase directly from the ad. You can use the power of video and images in your collection ads. They can be a very cost-effective way of increasing product sales.